Subscribe my channel Tech Trade Banda and hit the bell icon to get my latest new updates for reactions. So see guys, today I'm going to react on Jack Pinto, Ri and Khamer Nung Turan Thai Mua Nachi. If I translate this would be Skore Khamer version of the Thai dish which is more delicious. So, what is this? Kore Khamer version of Thai dish. The Thai dish, how it could be in Khamer version, and he wants to score. I don't know, and he will say that this is more delicious. And there is written Thai durian versus Khamer durian. What is durian? I think there is Cambodia's tasty food, I think durian. I don't know about that so much. I have to figure out by looking that. And guys, this video published by Jeremy Casey, and you guys visit his channel, friend. So I'm very much excited, friend. Let's start.
Modi Thai ចឹងជួបគ្នាយូរហើយដោយសារមាន COVID-19 ខ្ញុំអត់ធ្វើវីដេអូធ្វើតែនៅផ្ទះប៉ុន្តែថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំសូមធ្វើវីដេអូម្ដងខ្ញុំលើកគេថាគ្រូរៀនខ្មែរឆ្នាំជាងគេឆ្នាំជាង
Jeremy also can speak in Khmer. Wow.
ខ្ញុំអត់ដឹងទេ
He learned Cambodian language.
តែភ្លូទេចឹងថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំសូមព្រៀបធៀបពីផ្លែមានគ្រូរៀនខ្មែរមកពីសំរត់ស្រុកសំរត់ខេត្តបាត់ដំបងបាទខ្ញុំធ្លាប់ញ៉ាំទុរេនមកពីកម្ពុជា
I think this is durian
នៅខេត្តបាត់ដំបងក៏មានទុរេនឆ្ងាញ់ដែរហើយមួយនេះជាទុរេន
Lots
ថៃ
of
មកពីថៃហើយខ្ញុំចង់ព្រៀបធៀប5ចំណុចដូចជាទី1រូបរាងសម្បូរក្រៅ
One is from Thailand, I think, and another is from Cambodia.
ទី3តម្លៃទី4រូបរាងផ្លែឈើនៅក្នុងហើយទី5សំខាន់ជាងគេ
Oh, he wants to taste which country's durian is very much tasty.
ចាប់ដើមអូខេចឹងរូបរាងសម្បូរក្រៅទី1ផ្លែថៃវាមូលពណ៌បាយ
This type of food, I have to figure out if the inside is same, then I can say this food is also there in India.
ហើយផ្លែខ្មែររូបរាង
So much of cactus.
មានពណ៌ដូចបៃតងប៉ុន្តែដូច
It could be if anyone is seated.
ហើយនេះដូចប្រេះទី
If anyone is seated in our school days, we do know if anyone is seated, we put the
នេះត្រង់เป็นคน
pen and he said, the pain is
ថៃ
there.
ចឹងចំពោះរូបរាងឲ្យមួយពីទូទៅតែខ្មែរ
I think you guys put this also.
ដោយសារវាប្រេះទីហើយ
So much bad, dangerous.
ជាងចង់ញ៉ាំច្រើនជាងហ្នឹងអូខេចឹងទី2ខ្ញុំដកសម្បកវាចេញផ្លែថៃ
Thai.
បាទគេប្រាប់ខ្ញុំបកវាពីក្រោយ
The cutting style also very much dangerous.
ប្រយ័ត្នមួយដែរជាមួយខ្ញុំ
Oh.
អាសាមាន
This have to cut from the top.
អាសាមានបញ្ហា
From the hole this have to cut.
ហើយស្រួល
I have to see the inside, man.
អត់ទៅចេះមិនតែជាមួយដៃមួយដៃអូយណោអត់កើតខ្លាចណាស់ខ្ញុំដឹងពេលឃើញញ៉ាំធ្វើចឹងប្រហែលខ្លាចអូយខ្លាចមួយដៃហើយអូយ
I want to taste some Mountain Dew, man.
Oh.
Until he cut down fully, I want to taste Mountain Dew. Is it available in your country, Cambodia? Tell me in my comment section.
Chen hai. Okay,
Oh, what is this inside?
Bye bye. Start out. Okay. Tang tipi
2x like shape is
yom
there.
bok play Khmer.
Now Cambodia cut.
ប្រហែលស្រួលតិចដោយសារវាផ្លេសស្រាប់ហើយ
I love this Mountain Dew, man.
ខ្ញុំខ្លាចបាក់ផ្លែនៅក្នុងស្ដាយអូខេបោះ
Oh
ហើយ
my goodness. Cambodia, there is
ដោយ
none.
សារវាផ្លែស្រាប់ហើយយកកំបិតតិចប្រឹងតិចចេញហើយចឹង
Jeremy is
បោះ
talking
វា
it slowly,
មួយពីទូ
but
ទៅ
huge, man, huge.
អូខេ
You have learned very much, man. Come on.
រៀងផ្លែនៅក្នុងចឹងផ្លែ
How much Jeremy loved, man,
នៅ
Cambodia.
ក្នុងច័ន្ទ
He
ជា
finally learned also. Wow. Oh,
អត់
this is look like some jackfruits.
អូខេចឹងគាត់នេះស្អាត
Some
And
jackfruits
then
shape this is
yum.
looking like.
ហើយ
Jackfruits.
ទូតិចប៉ុន្តែពណ៌ស្អាតខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តពណ៌ហ្នឹងទី
Guys, tell me the taste.
ផ្លែខ្មែរ
How it tastes.
ដូចពេញជាងហើយពណ៌ស
Cambodia, this is not so colorful as the Thailand is very much colorful.
ថាពណ៌ហ្នឹងខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តជាងអញ្ចឹងខ្ញុំឲ្យ
I think the Cambodia's one is
ផ្លែថៃវិញ
children and the Thailand one is elder.
ដូចជាខ្ញុំភ្លក់ផ្លែថៃសិន
Now he will taste.
ប្រហែលស្អាតហើយអត់ឆ្ងាញ់ អញ្ចឹងគឺសំខាន់ជាងគេឆ្ងាញ់វាទុនតិច
Water is coming from my mouth, man. Wow, it could be some very much delicious.
អត់ទៅស្រួយញ៉ាំជាមួយដៃឆ្ងាញ់ជាង
How's the taste? Tell me, bro, Jeremy.
I'mច្រើន ដូចមានស្ករច្រើននៅក្នុង
Jeremy tell some English also, man, so I can understand.
អូខេផ្លែទី2ផ្លែខ្មែរគេថាផ្លែហ្នឹងដូច
Now what?
ទុរេន
How much taste the Cambodian will be,
វា
man?
ដោយសារវាស
Durian
អត់ដឹងទេ
reaction. Oh, excellent.
អត់ដូចមានក្លិនទឹកដោះគោមែន ប្រហែលជាមួយហេតុ
I'm not getting where what he is telling. I think I have also learned from Jeremy. Like Jeremy, Cambodian language.
នៅក្រៅហើយនៅក្នុងទុន
ហើយនៅក្នុងទុន
មែនហើយមាន
I think tuntun is tasty.
ហើយមានរសជាតិទុរេនខាង
Which one is better?
និយាយត្រង់ទុរេនខ្មែរឆ្ងាញ់ជាងដាច់
Who wins finally? Cambodia or Thailand?
ហើយវាផ្អែមប៉ុន្តែមិនមែនផ្អែមខ្លាំងពេកអញ្ចឹងឆ្ងាញ់មែនទែន
Oh, he is eating fully the Cambodian. I think he likes the Cambodian, this durian very much. He finished all. Yeah, he is identified that he likes Cambodia,
ពី
durian.
រសជាតិខ្ញុំចង់ឲ្យពីពីទូដោយសារ
No, I think this is second round.
សំខាន់ជាងគេអញ្ចឹងខ្ញុំឲ្យពីពីទូទៅផ្លែខ្មែរអូខេឥឡូវនិយាយពីតម្លៃអញ្ចឹងផ្លែខ្មែរ1គីឡូ
1 kg.
6.2
$6.2.
ផ្លែថៃ1គីឡូ
1 kg. This is also 1 kg. Wow.
អញ្ចឹង
I thought that this is big than Cambodia.
ថៃខប់ជាង
Oh, both are same
អូ
weight.
ខេអញ្ចឹងឥឡូវនិយាយពីលទ្ធផលផ្លែខ្មែរ4ពិន្ទុនិងផ្លែថៃ2ពិន្ទុ
Who wins?
ផ្លែឈ្នះគឺជាផ្លែខ្មែរ
I think Cambodia wins, yes.
បានពេញថាផ្លែ
It tells out Cambodia is better.
អូខេ
He finished
យើងនឹង
all.
ហើយអរគុណច្រើនអ្នកទាំងគ្នាដែលបានមើលវីដេអូហ្នឹងហើយ
Beautiful
ជួបគ្នា
video,
ពេល
man.
ក្រោយជាមួយវីដេអូថ្មីបាទអរគុណច្រើនចំពោះការគ្រប់គ្រងខ្ញុំរហូតហើយបាយបាយ
Lihai tell Lihai. Jeremy Casey. So guys, wow. Jeremy Casey, man, wow, man, wow. Instead, he is from France and I did not see such type of person that he's lovable with Cambodia and he fully determines that I am only in Cambodia, man. And it is something like special that any foreign YouTuber is making videos to another country's videos, man. Wow. He is from France, but instead of making videos from his country, he is making videos from Cambodia. Wow. This identifies that how much Jeremy Casey loved Cambodia, and the example is on the video, man. Jeremy has learned totally the Khmer language. Congrats. I think I have to also follow your steps and to learn some Cambodia, bro. Khmer, bro. Wow. And if I say about this video, durian, I have seen first time this type of food, man, durian. And he is showing about Thailand durian and Cambodian durian, and first he tastes the Thailand durian and he tastes half only, and then he tastes the Cambodian durian and he finished all. So it identifies that Cambodian durian is very much tasty than Thailand durian. Yes. And guys, I have also to taste the durian. While he was eating the durian, the water is coming from my mouth, man. So if you can parcel, you can, man. So this is my reaction and review, friend. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. I will come with another new video, friend. Till then, keep healthy, keep smiling, and it's called Hi.